Hey everyone, introducing the newest addition to the stable, manual Anthracite VPSS. Very original. Paint's not the greatest, but it's mostly original. Just the bonnet, I think. Rear garnish is pretty knackered, but I've got another one for that. Not really gonna restore this, I was just gonna keep it as it is, really. Still got the original wheel. No crack in the dash pad. It's got a stupid looking roof lining. It's the wrong colour and the wrong interior light, but I can change all that. Let's put on some new door seals today. They don't look too bad, but it's going to keep all the rain out. It was, heaps of water was coming in. Got a good old 5 litre. Don't know if it's the original engine, but maybe there'll be a build sheet under the carpet. Let's take it for a ride, shall we? This is my first manual car ever at 41 years of age. My first VP ever, and my first road registered 5 litre. I had a VL that had a injected 5 litre put in it, but that was never road registered, so I didn't really get to enjoy that. Needed some panel work, so I just moved it on back then. Yeah, she needs some juice first. There you go, guys and girls, what do you think? You want me to do more of these kind of videos? Any suggestions or comments? Let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.